Yes, it's delicious. The sushi bake made by Joseph and Lexi is so yummy. And it was the combination of crab imitation and salmon. So with rice, vinegar, so they bake it and put some sauce on the top. Okay, you like it.
Wait,
So
wait,
this
spoon,
is
spoon.
made by Lexi and Joseph.
So you just fry
What do
it.
they call it?
You take a scoop.
Sushi bake.
Huh?
You take a scoop like
Sushi.
that.
This is what you call
Sushi
sushi,
bake.
bake. What is the
Oh.
ingredients?
Make sure you get the rice.
There's imitation crab, salmon, cream cheese,
You can put a
spicy
little more
mayo,
spicy mayo if you want. You eat it,
And then
you bite
and
it.
then you eat it. It's really hot.
like that. Okay. And you, Joseph,
Same way.
like that.
Yeah. It is dry.
Joseph
Two?
will get the
Yeah.
rice. We said, put in that thing, and
you
then
scoop it.
you scoop it and
And you eat it.
eat that.
Kind of hot though.
Cool it down.